Okay. PVIFA concept applicable. What is the present value of string? See, all these future values we are bringing to present value.
Yes.
First year you will be getting 25,000. Second and third year you will be getting 30,000. Okay. For fourth year onwards 40,000. Total if you see, just a number if you see, 25,000 plus 30,000, 60,000 plus 40,000 into not 4 to 8, 25 years, 2 lakhs. So 2,85,000. You will be getting 2,85,000 in your plan total, and that person asks you to deposit today some amount. Give me some amount every year, I will give you so much. What is that amount only we are supposed to calculate? Present value. This present value, because receiving 40,000 at the end of 8th year is not, today's value of 40,000. Right? It's totally different. When you are discounting, so it will be less. I cannot compare. Okay, fine. Whether you give me today 40,000 rupees or after 8 years you give me 40,000. Can you accept this plan? After 8 years, how can you accept the same 40,000 rupees? Value is definitely high. No, value is reduced, the number will be high. Okay. So in that case, so to start with 25,000 into PVIFA of percentage is given, that is 15% and 1 year. This is the table value you have seen for first year. It is not, see, cash flows are not common. If the cash flows are common, what we should do 15%, 8 years.
Yeah.
But here cash flows are different. So plus 30,000 into PVIFA 15%, it is 2 years. No, not 2 years, it is 3 years actually. How 3 years?
Number of years,
plus 40,000 into PVIFA of 15%, comma 5 years. PVIFA 50 plus into so totally 3 PVIFA 15%, 30 plus 40%. Okay, all it is separately if you calculate secondly. PVIFA 15 years. So better in this way if you think logically. This is the cash flow, right?
Yes.
discounting factor. See, you have a multiple discounting factor. That's why it is taken individually. This is discounting at a rate of 15%. Okay.
28, sir.
1 divided by 1.15 to the power 1.
Discounted factor.
Hmm?
Discounted factor.
Discounting factor at 15%. Here, I cannot take common as 15%. Now, discounting factor at 15%. 15% is common, but number of years is different here, and the cash flows are different. For this, now 1 divided by 1.15 to the power 2. 1 divided by 1.15, 3, 4, and so on. We are discounting. All these are future values are bigger numbers. I am reducing or discounting, using the total as a whole, it is comes around 2,80,000. Just when you calculate the number, but today's value is not 2,80,000. Today's value. I want the calculation to be done today. Okay. So when you multiply, and here what 1 divided by 1.15 to the power 1.15. It is 0.8696. 96. Multiply with 25,000, you get some value. Okay. And if you get the total, what you get is, what it is given somewhere 1,52,000. Tabular method, which we used to do it in capital budgeting, projects of using NPV or IRR method. Okay, so this is a tabular method, this is a formula method. This looks sometimes confusing because when I am not very familiar with the, after so many years I am referring you to see the tables. That's why I am also getting a lot of confusion. I never used to teach my students how to use tables. Only calculators. I even teach them how to operate calculator, how to get the calculations of this APV and AFV calculations a little bit in a faster way, so that they can use it in the exam. All our MBA exams, main exams, scientific calculators are allowed. That's why we preferably use this particular calculators only. In normal calculator, those who have a normal calculator, this type of calculator will you see when you want to calculate this 15%. Yes, all of this here per minute. In this type of calculator, 1 divided by plus 1 divided by 1.15 plus equals button, you get 0.8696 for first year, plus again equals button second year, that is 0.7561 plus again equals button, you will get 0.6575 0.6575 unless the percentage is same. Okay, press once again 0.5717, 0.5717, 0.4972, 0.4972, 4323, 0.4323, 0.3759, 0.3759. Number of times, just keep pressing the equals button. No need to again every time get the value. Just press equals button. Multiply this these cash flows. Take a total. That is the present value. When you are taking the fourth digit, based on the fifth digit, you have to take the approximation. If the fifth digit is more than 5, then add that one number to the fourth digit. That is how you have to take.
Still one more.
One more.
One more.
So 3, 4, 5,
Seven.
7. Okay, one more.
1.52.
Huh?
1.5259.
1.15 to the power 8.3269. Multiply this number and take the total. The last column. See again, normally, when it comes to this type of preparation, so from your end, practice and preparations are more. From our end, we just give you idea or concepts, because the time is very short. As I told, the same time value of money in my regular class, I take 8 to 10 hours. Only basics of time value of money. Okay, so in fact more than 30 problems are there. I've just reduced only given 15 here. Okay, more than 30 problems or 35 variety problem. For every problem I'll give at least time. One problem I will solve here. I'll ask them to solve it in front of me. Okay, and because in a class I have more than 60 students. Okay, so compared to that, and this is totally different. Same again, what I spent here 2 hours. Okay, sometimes even evening CBSM's class, I'll just finish it in half an hour. Depends on the requirement or maybe the students batch. Even Sunday, I get only 1 hour every Sunday. Okay, 1 hour I have to finish the entire concept of time value of money, financial management. Hardly you get 15 hours. The portion is more than 60 hours. I get only 15 hours. Portion will be covered 60 hours. And they are also working professionals. They come only on every Sunday. Every minute counts for us. Okay. So we are not supposed to waste too much of time. I cannot sometimes give sufficient time to calculate. Okay. Because in my class on Sunday, 120 students will be sitting. Okay. I cannot ask everybody, did you get the answer? Are you getting? Okay, depends on the speed of the student, it varies. So what I do is just solve one. Better for me writing everything on the board instead of giving the time to the students to do it. 1,50,000. 52,000?
395.
See, sometimes when you use formula and when you use this slight error will be there because of approximation. Here, still you have some more numbers to approximate. Keeping the That means receiving, listen here, receiving today 1,52,395 is exactly same as receiving these cash flows. Receiving today 1,52,000 or 53,000 is exactly same as receiving this offer. If somebody offers, you want 1,50,000 or 53,000 today, or you want this offer, and it is your choice. Both are same. You can select better will give me 1,52,000 today. Or if somebody says, okay, 2 lakh rupees you give me today, every year I will give you this offer. Okay, not worth. Or if you want 2 lakh rupees today or this plan, which one would you prefer? Better you give me 2 lakh. Or today you want 1 lakh rupees or want this plan. 1 lakh is better. No, instead of taking 1 lakh rupees, you give me this every year. For in finance, even if either of this, if any 1 rupee is difference, still we go with the higher number. In terms of finance, now projects when you are selecting NPV, 1 rupee if it is more, we accept that offer. That's how even in some of the government projects, sometimes projects are accepted just because of 1 rupee higher in the bidding. Okay, even in the recent IPL bidding, okay, for title sponsorship, some 7-8 companies were bidding. Okay, including Unacademy or Reliance, Tata. Okay, finally it has gone to dream level, somewhere close to 225 crores. The next best was less than 200 crores. 225 was the highest bid. That means they have taken the title. That's why it is now IPL is dream level IPL. Last year it was Vivo IPL. They have paid 400 crores. So they will take the bidding in the sealed cover. On the day they will open how much you are ready to sponsor for this title sponsor, how much you are ready to take. And IPL team or BCCI will give a clear instruction for title sponsors. These are the facilities given, where and all the brand will be projected. How the facilities, not simply because of 200 crores worth of projects. It is not without simply taking any. They have also done sufficient homework when they are investing. Accordingly, they will decide the project, whether the project is accepted or not. So companies, even Reliance was also there in the queue, Tata was there in the queue. Okay, all were in the range of 170 to 200 crores. Finally, 225 was the highest and opted that particular brand. Hope you are clear with this. Any doubt?
In our syllabus, there's a in the agency problems. Which is a problem. It's very bad.
Problem, if you are expecting, it is when it is time value of money, valuation of securities, stock and bonds, valuation of equity stock, valuation of bonds. Some problems are expected on risk return calculation is a very problematic subject.
The agents know the problems of the technical process.
There's a theory, it is agency problem. Not a just because problem is there in the topic, don't think it's a problem.
That's what I'm asking.
No.
And inflation accounting is there in the first accounting theory practice. It's also clear, right?
See, I'll tell you in your 7th topic, 7th chapter paper, M and Q
Yes.
are the major problematic areas. Major.
Business tax, business management.
As I told, both are almost covering only these two components covers 3 to 4 of our subjects, whole subject. we have a tax management subject covers, and we have indirect taxation. See, they will give one, say for example, capital budgeting. How to cover, what to cover in capital budgeting? As I told, 16 hours of syllabus in our regular course. Just a capital budgeting only. Only in your previous subject I am telling you, where it is look at the paper number 5, where you have somewhere also capital budgeting. In a B, financial management analysis, look at the D component. In that last line you have capital budgeting. In one line or one word it is given.
Capital budgeting.
The question is for us also very difficult, because here if it is for each component number of hours is given, we also get some clarity what depth we have to go. Here we do not know the number of hours to cover, because it is not regular syllabus to be covered in exam or classes. Clear?
Valuation of securities of stock and does it include the valuation of goodwill also?
No. Stock and debt bonds are given, not assets. The stock is equity stock. We have a different models. We have a dividend discount model. We have a valuation of securities using theoretical concept. All theoretical values. We are not going to calculate the practical value. What is the theoretical? See, if I want to buy this marker, okay, and in market it is costing 100 rupees. I want to know with all the features given, okay, what is the worth of this marker? If this worth of this marker comes at 150 rupees worth, but in market it is available 100 rupees, so it is underpriced. I can buy. Simple. If the same marker, worth is comes only 50 rupees. In market it is available at 100 rupees. It is expensive, overpriced. Wait till it comes to 50 rupees, then you buy. Same concept, equity and bond. Before buying, we should know what is the worth. That's why I told you in the beginning. Based on the worth of the product, see how do you evaluate equity stocks and bonds? Based on some concepts are there. Accordingly, we are using the concept and arriving at the intrinsic value. We call it as theoretical value or intrinsic value. Based on that, we decide whether to buy or not. Okay, so we'll wind up today's session, and we'll meet in the next session. I'll communicate the class schedule. Thank you.
The rule 72 will be a problem. Rule 72 and rule 68 problems. Continue ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್.
Really, see, just I have taken just for today's class. I cannot solve all these problems. These are all for my regular class. Just while coming back, I took some copy. Okay, so don't expect too many problems here. For me, no issues. It goes 100, 200 hours. Only for this subject, I can go up to so many hours. That is not required for you. You want only very specific, point to point. Just a concept. Now, based on this formula, you have to keep trial, taking some, and don't worry about the solution. See, for your solution, getting over, I can't find this answer, my answer is 10 or plus 20 is more or less. Don't worry. Understand the concept, apply. Not that exactly the same problem is appearing. Who knows, in the case study, 60 marks, this will be one of the component. While calculating the project, evaluating the project, okay, it will be one of the component. It may carry on 5 to 10 marks in the whole 60 marks. Like that only we have to use. So your effort based on this, you have to decide, or you have to dig more and more practice. And not required solving 30 problems, 40 problems. Not required. Limited. In coming classes I'll be very specific to the concepts. Otherwise it goes so many hours. Okay. Actually today is my plan of thinking of starting valuation of equity and bonds. But But sir said, okay, today better you stick on to only one or two concepts, not to cover more topics. Okay. So, and the theoretical materials, I have some material I'll share with you, basics and all materials, which is more or less prepared for students. But again, just because you have a material, unless you understand the concepts, very difficult to write it on your own. Not
ಈಗ
possible.
ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಶೇರ್ ಆಗಿರೋಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಯಾವ
That is what. But in my regular how I am dealing, I have got complete setup in my at my home. I have got even lightings and board marker. Okay, I sit and I even solve problems. I take classes. Okay, so like that only. Students can comfortably see the board.
ಫಾರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಯು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಶೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಶೀಟ್ ದೆನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್.
That's what only this video